Good morning, my dear student. Today, myself, Shan Ahmad. Again, I am here to teach you class 11 physical education. Today's topic is Olympic. This is the topic is chapter 2 Olympic value education. Before we are going to our topic, I tell you one thing. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon on your mobile for getting all channels notification. Now we are going to our topic. Paralympic Games. Now our topic is Paralympic Games. My dear student, International Paralympic Committee, like IPC, short form is IPC, was set up on 22 September 1989. It is a non-profit organization. My dear student, Paralympic game is related to spinal cord injuries person. Those person are injured in spinal cord. This game is related only that people. The main goal of IPC is to organize the summer and winter Paralympic game. IPC यानी कि इंटरनेशनल पैरालंपिक कमिटी वर्क as the International Federation of Sport also. Sport supervising and coordinating international championship. The Paralympic Committee, the vision of the IPC is to developing condition for para athletic. There are few points also. First point is courage. Para athletes show their ability by giving their extraordinary sport performance in front of the world with its absolute limits. And point number 2, determination. Every para athletes have redefined the boundaries of mental thoughtness, physical ability, and outstanding to produce sporting performance. And the point number 3, inspiration. As role model, para athletes maximize their capabilities through participation in Paralympic sports event. And the last point, equality. Para athletes can change their stereotype image by breaking down social barriers and inequality toward people. Special Olympic game. The Special Olympics are the world's largest sports organization for people with intellectual disabilities. This is the largest sports organization for people the intellectual disability, providing training and competition to more than 4.4 million athletes in 180 countries. Special Olympics are a global non-profit organization. This is the organization is a non-profit organization. More than 2.5 million athletes of all age are involved in Special Olympic sports training and competition. The Special Olympics is the only world platform where male and female with intellectual disabilities have an opportunity to participate and develop belief in them. Next point is aim of Special Olympics. The Special Olympic is to provide sport training and athletic competition for very individual with intellectual disabilities. It also try to give them opportunity to develop physical fitness, learning skills, experience joy and friendship with their families, other Special Olympic athletes and the community. Next point is type of Special Olympic sport. There are many Special Olympics events like athletics, track and field event, badminton, basketball, bocce, bowling, cross country, skiing, cycling, floor hockey, golf, gymnastics, handball, judo. There are many types of Special Olympic sports. Our next point is Olympic ideals. My dear student, the important thing in Olympic is not to win but to take part. The important thing in life is not the triumph but struggle. The essential thing is not to have inquire but to have fight well. Understood, my dear student? Our next point is objectives of Olympics. There are many objectives in Olympic. I tell you 2-3 points in objective also. In objective, to pay attention toward physical education and sports competition in all the countries of the world. And point number 2, to develop personality, character, citizenship, qualities and health among the youth. This is the objective of the Olympic, my dear student. Next point is formation of good habits among sport persons so that they could lead a healthy and good life. And next point, to develop international fair play and peaceful environment. This is our topic, my dear. Again I am come from next video. Thank you and thank you everyone.